Keep an eye on the biometric scanners on the main floor. The new shipment is arriving shortly.
Will do. All systems are currently green.
This facility, utilizing advanced fiber extraction technology, processes thousands of banana stems daily.
The pressure readings on the extractor look high. Have you calibrated this unit today?
Yes, Supervisor. The logs are updated.
Maintain current speed. The next batch is coming through now.
Quality looks consistent, Supervisor.
The wet banana fibers are carefully inspected before moving to the drying chambers.
Here we see the fiber bundles moving towards the drying chambers, a critical step in the fully automated production process.
Pressure is holding steady at 40 bar.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow rate now.
The fiber consistency is improving.
Agreed. Let's maintain the current rotation speed and monitor the next batch.
The fibers are meticulously checked for thickness using a digital micrometer, a critical step before the drying chambers.
Here in this section, fiber color consistency is meticulously checked.
The fully automated fiber extraction process is overseen by our skilled technicians, ensuring optimal yield and quality.
The yield from the drying chamber looks consistent with the last batch.
Yes, the moisture content is exactly where it should be.
The fibers now enter the drying chambers, where precise temperature control ensures optimal moisture removal for the textile-grade material. As the banana fibers move through these advanced drying chambers, the color shifts naturally to this consistent golden brown, ready for baling.
Here at Station 58, the extracted fibers are meticulously bundled by robotic arms before moving to the drying chambers.
The factory achieves remarkable consistency in fiber length, crucial for the next stage of production.
Adjust the flow rate on the extractor. Already on it, verifying the pressure now.
Look at the readout here, the fiber density is slightly low.
I see it. Adjusting the drying chamber parameters now.
Here in the packaging section, the extracted fibers are compressed and bundled. Robotic.
Here at the facility, workers carefully weigh the extracted banana fiber bundles before they move to the drying chambers.
Keep an eye on the humidity levels here. Roger that. It's holding steady at 60%.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the left side. Copy that. Bringing it out. Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the left side. Copy that. Bringing it out.
The logistics team ensures a seamless flow, with trucks precisely docking to transport the processed fibers.
The factory operates with remarkable efficiency, achieving full resource utilization and moving closer to a zero-waste model. This facility represents the pinnacle of sustainable manufacturing, utilizing every part of the banana stem with remarkable efficiency.
The moisture content is stable across the sample.
Agreed. The previous adjustments have stabilized the process.
Look at the humidity levels on the screen here.
It seems the drying chamber is running a bit hot. We need to adjust the flow rate immediately.
Check the humidity levels on line 3.
It looks stable, but the input rate is slightly low.
We can increase the speed at the pre-feeders.
See the readout on that panel?
Yeah, the efficiency is up 5% since the update.
Good, we can push the next load through.
The data shows a slight variance in the fiber yield here.
We should adjust the drying time by 5%.
The raw banana fibers, seen here in extreme detail, represent the core of our sustainable textile production.
Look at the efficiency metrics on this batch.
Impressive. The reduction in water usage is substantial.
Why did it stop?
The extractor light is blinking.
Is the power down again?
The journey begins as the raw banana stems enter the extraction chambers, where precision robotics handle the delicate fibers.
Look at the data here. The yield optimization in Sector 4 is up by 15% since the upgrade.
Yes, the new drying chambers are performing exceptionally well.
Check the humidity levels on line 3.
Levels are stable, Supervisor. Quality control approved.